my channel. In today's video, I'm joined with my friend Millie.
Hello.
And we will be making these delicious chocolate chip cookies. In the milk. They're very, very good. This is my absolute favorite chocolate chip cookie recipe. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and like and comment and subscribe. Okay, let's get started. Woo!
Okay, so what you will need is 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 egg, half a cup of melted butter, half a teaspoon of baking soda, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, 220 grams of chocolate, and half a cup of white sugar. We're going to start things off by adding the brown sugar and white sugar into a bowl and then pouring in our melted butter and giving that a good mix around. Then, once that is well combined, add in the egg and then mix that again using a metal whisk because this makes the mixture really fluffy and light. Then, while I continued to mix this round, Millie added the salt and baking soda into the flour and gave that a good mix using a wooden spoon. Then it's time to add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients and combine that really well using that wooden spoon. Once everything is well combined, add in the chocolate chips and just stir those in with the wooden spoon. This is my absolute favorite part because just look how good the cookie dough looks. Then you're going to want to refrigerate that for 30 minutes and then take it out and ice cream scoop it onto the baking tray to make the cookies nice and round. Millie and I had a bit of trouble with our ice cream scooper, but it all turned out fine in the end. And then bake these at 180 degrees for 12 to 15 minutes. And then they are done. These are absolutely delicious and my all-time favorite chocolate chip cookie recipe. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Bye everyone, thank you for watching.